Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to.
What's up? What's up? Welcome back, guys, to another video. This one specifically is for Shakira. Girl, here I am about to make two types of salads. One is a Jamaican all special and the other is a coleslaw. So for the coleslaw, I used white onions, cabbage, carrots. I will make sure to list my ingredients in the description box. Those are all that I used in the one for the coleslaw. The Jamaican style tossed salad or reggae style salad, I did some chopped cabbage, and you can cut this as thin as you want for the cabbage. I used shredded carrots. I used bell pepper. I used cucumber. If you want, you can also add raisins, cranberries. So for this, I used yellow, green, red bell pepper in this. If you want to also add spinach, you can. It's optional. They never normally do that in Jamaica. However, I use spinach sometimes. You chop the cabbage, the bell pepper, the cucumber as small as you want, as thin as you want. This is a tossed salad, which I will call my reggae salad due to the colors. For the coleslaw, I included a little hint of salt, a little black pepper, brown sugar, white cane vinegar, and mayonnaise. Combine everything until it forms a little creamy sauce on it. I've seen persons use yogurt in it. I did not use any yogurt. I used mayonnaise, vinegar, and the brown sugar. You mix this. You can leave in your refrigerator to chill as long as you want. Add a saran wrap over it to help to keep it fresh. Now for the tossed salad, also known as the reggae salad. For this, I also used vinegar and brown sugar. Mix this in and your veggies will be ready for consumption. You can also add tomato to it if you want. I've also add like fruits, like maybe grapes to mine if you want. That's optional. Here are my finished salads, 2 in 1. Please remember to give your girl a like. Let me wait a second. Please give me a like. It's free. If you've made it this far in this really short video, please give your girl a like to show your love and support and also encourage me to do more videos. See you soon. I do hope that you enjoyed this tossed salad and my creamy coleslaw recipe, 2 in 1. Give your girl a like. If you're new, welcome. See you soon. Thank you.